Hello, I am Dr. Cool AutoFix. In today's video, I'll be teaching you 10 symptoms of a failing or bad fuel pump. Maybe you're watching this video is because you have a problem with your car, inconsistent performance, or maybe your friends. If that be the case, you are welcome to my channel. And if you're visiting my channel for the first time, do subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell icon if you haven't done that already. If you've done that, pay attention, sit back, and let me teach you what you need to know about this guy called fuel pump. Virtually all modern vehicles with internal combustion engine come equipped with fuel pump. The fuel pump is responsible for delivering fuel from the gas tank to the engine at the appropriate pressure required for the performance demands. When the key is turned on, the fuel pump is activated and pressurized the fuel, which can be heard as a quiet whine or hum noise inside the car. The fuel pump on most modern vehicles are electric and mounted inside the gas tank. However, some vehicles are equipped with inline or mechanical style fuel pump. But either ways, they are all designed for the same purpose of delivering fuel into the combustion chamber. Because the fuel pump is the common component responsible for supplying the engine with the fuel required for it to run, any issue with it can cause major drivability and performance problems. Usually, a bad or failing fuel pump will produce one or more of the following 10 symptoms that will alive the driver of a potential problems. 1. Whining noise from the fuel tank. One of the first symptoms of a problem with a fuel pump is a loud whining noise, and an old fuel pump may not produce a noticeable sound or at all. In this case, you might be paying attention to the fuel pump and get it tested and see if it's getting power. Most fuel pumps will produce a quiet hum noise during their normal operation. However, an excessive loud whining noise coming from the fuel tank is usually a sign of a problem. There may not be enough fuel or a damaged fuel pump or contaminated fuel inside the system. Number 2. Difficulty in starting. Another symptom is commonly associated with a problematic fuel pump is inability to start. Because the fuel pump constantly runs whenever the ignition is turned on, they can eventually wear out and weaken over time. A weak fuel pump may still pump fuel, but the vehicle may experience difficulty starting due to a lack of pressure or no fuel pressure at all coming from the fuel pump. A weakened fuel pump can cause the vehicle to take more cranks, and even after the crank will not start. And in more serious cases may even cause the vehicle to require multiple turns of key before it will start. Number 3. Engine sputtering. One of the surest indications of a faulty fuel pump is sputtering engine, typically at a high speed. You should be driving at a consistent high speed and the engine suddenly sputter before returning to normal operation. It is a clear indicative of issue with a fuel pump. In this case, the fuel pump cannot provide a constant stream of fuel that is required or the ideal pressure to keep the engine running properly. Number 4. Stalling at high temperature. Stalling can happen because of a multiple problem with the vehicle, but pay attention when it happens frequently at a high temperature. Showing on the car thermometer and rising temperature pair with the stalling often indicates a problem with the fuel pump module. If stalling continues to occur with an increased temperature gauge, it could indicate a fuel pump deterioration and need a replacement. 5. Loss of power under stress. Another indication of a bad fuel pump is loss of power when the vehicle is under stress, such as driving uphill, carrying a heavy luggage, or accelerating under a hard acceleration. The engine shut down because the weakening part of the fuel pump cannot keep up with the car's heightened fuel demands in the situation. In these circumstances, the car will feel like it's unable to go on to maintain the intended amount of power. If the fuel pump is the cause, it means they can no longer regulate the fuel pressure accurately and provide the appropriate amount of fuel to the engine. 6. Car surging. Irregular resistance inside the fuel pump motor may cause the vehicle surging and indicate a fuel pump that is in need of a replacement. Surging feels like a gas pedal has been used, however, it occurs at a random consistent speed. If this happens often, it may be because of a problem with the fuel pump. 7. Low gas mileage. It feels like you're filling up your car more than usual. It may be because of an issue with the fuel pump. When you have a weak fuel pump, it will be underperforming, which having a delivery issue, that's delivering less of fuel to the combustion chamber, which will lead to power drop. When this situation occurs, the ECU will start placing a high demand for more fuel than necessary to compensate for the power loss to keep the engine running, and this is often result into a car taking more fuel than required, thereby causing a poor gas mileage. Number 8. Hard start. Another more serious symptoms of an issue with a fuel pump is a hard start condition. If the fuel pump is about failing completely to the point of not being able to provide enough fuel to the engine to run, the engine will not start up on time because it needs more cranking to gather up a required fuel quantity to start the car. The engine will crank when the key is turned on, but it will be unable to start on time due to insufficient fuel. A hard start situation can actually be caused by a variety of issues, so having the vehicle properly diagnosed by a high-trained technician is recommended to figure out what the problem could be. Number 9. Car shutting down randomly. Car shutting down randomly is a scenario that can be very difficult and easy to troubleshoot at the same time. But using the eliminating process of troubleshooting will yield more meaningful results prior to resolving the problem. A failing fuel pump has a tendency of shutting off the car randomly. If you have a car that shuts down randomly while driving through the highway, you could be having a bad fuel pump. In different car makes and model, these symptoms can present itself in a different formats. In some car make, you may have a bad fuel pump, your car will shut down randomly, and if you wait for a while and start the car, it will start right up again. That's a warning sign telling you to head towards the nearest mechanic. Close ASAP, the point where your car shuts down. While in some other car make, your car may abruptly shut down without starting up again. 10. Lacking acceleration power. When your fuel pump is making one last judgment call on you, or placing the last call on you to visit the nearest mechanic, it might have been showing a lot of other symptoms which either you didn't notice it or you are not trained to understand it, such as sudden lack of power when you're driving uphill. When you ignore this, you could wake up one morning and fire the car up and it will not start. But when you hit the gas pedal, it will start. It will really start terribly and lack power of acceleration. And some other morning, you might start this car, it's gonna work very fine. And when you drive on the road, when you drive consistently for some hours, the fuel pump will get heated up because of the failure of the component inside, and was shut down. And when this happens, you're going to be having tons of durability issues. So if you find your car acting up like this, that's a classic sign of a bad fuel pump. If you are sure the master flow sensor is in its healthy condition, then go ahead and hijack your fuel pump. If you found this video very helpful, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell icon to keep you posted. And if this information didn't solve your problem, you can DM me on Instagram at Mr. Cool Auto Fix, so I can assist you to remotely troubleshoot your car at a certain cost rate. I remain Dr. Cool Auto Fix. Thank you for watching my video. I hope to see you some other time. Bye for now.